I'd like to take this opportunity to convey my little message to the Income Tax Department. You're not just tax collectors. You are the face of the government's relationship with the taxpayer. I've said this before also, I think. Sorry for repeating, but they are words which have so much of an important message. And therefore, since you are the face of the government's relationship with the taxpayer, this new law gives you a clearer and leaner framework to make it simple, to make it simpler for people who want to understand it better. However, a good law alone is not enough. So it must be administered with empathy, fairness, and efficiency. I expect every officer to internalize the spirit of this new law. Internalize the spirit of this new law. The spirit is simple. And I'm sure by now several times, the officers must have themselves been discussing among one another. The taxpayer is not your adversary. Please, let's appreciate this. You understand it, but I want you to appreciate it. The taxpayer is not your adversary. The taxpayer is your partner in nation building. So I think the new law is one thing. It's got passed. It is now effective from 2026, 1st April. But I want a new approach, a new mindset. Look at somebody who comes and sits before you as a partner with you in nation building rather than an adversary. I urge income tax officers to treat this Parambh as an opportunity to embrace this fresh mindset. And those probationers who have come here today, who have joined here today, I'm so happy that they are here. You are starting anew. But you are starting afresh. I want you all to have that mindset. And therefore, that is important that, I'm not very good in Hindi, but my team has a lot of people who are Hindi speakers. And they said, ma'am, would you mind saying something? I said, what? There's a film song. I said, oh, no, please. I'm zero in that. Whether it is in Hindi or Telugu or Tamil, I'm not very good. He said, no, you must say this because it's so appropriate. And when I read it, actually, I remembered that song, which is very old, but I also thought it might be nice for you to hear it from me. Pardon my pronunciation. Chhodo kal ki baatein. Yeah. Am I saying it right? But there's more. Chhodo kal ki baatein, kal ki baat purani. आओ मिलकर लिखेंगे हम इनकम टैक्स की नई कहानी. And I understand that the name of the film from where this has come is so appropriate for us. Hum Hindustani. So, and that was from 1960. 61 Act. So many beautiful coincidences. So, I think it's nice time. Chhodo kal ki baatein. Let's all be facilitators. And I'm sure we'll be able to bring in that freshness